Hey guys, so I got a LBZ Duramax here and my Edge cts3 monitor stopped working. I was using a little 12-volt air compressor and it blew the fuse for the cigarette lighter. Now, the thing is, the cts3, oops, sorry about that, the cts3 kept working until I shut the truck off. So I read on one of the forums that on the Chevys, the OBD2 connector power goes through the cigarette lighter fuse. So it is the fuse panel, the fuse for the cigarette lighter is not in there. It is actually underneath the hood, and it is right there. So I tested mine was blown, I replaced it, and now my cts3 is working again. Thank God, because yeah, they're pretty pricey. I mean, diesel people might not think $500 is pricey, but yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully the music isn't too loud.